You are going to be learning how to create web pages in HTML this week. So you're going to start by reading through the pages, and you'll notice it's just a couple different little page ranges. And then you're going to go through the lecture demo, which gives you a lot more detailed information. And a lot of the information that I include in these lecture demos is on the MTA, and that is why they are more detailed. So as you go through here, there's a lot of information about the structure of pages and the structure of tags. Okay, so you'll kind of walk through here. Uh, when possible, I do try to make things interactive. I use a lot of examples. You'll notice that this is interactive. And this is for a detail summary. That is what the tags do. Okay, so when possible, I do try to make things kind of fun for you guys as you are working through here. Uh, I also will include links to interactive sites where you can practice entering tags yourself. And so here is one of those links. So you can see that this is interactive. So you can actually change this. So there are 6 different heading levels. And if we change heading 1 to heading 5 and we run it, you should notice the first one change. Okay, and then you can kind of play around with that. If you mess up, all you have to do is reload the page. So it's kind of a nice, safe way for you guys to play with code. Once you're done working through this, you are going to go through the textbook assignment. And as I mentioned, the textbook assignment is more directive. There are tasks you need to complete, and the tasks have videos that you can watch. The videos will show you exactly what you need to do. So if you have 2 monitors, that is awesome because you can play the video on one monitor and you can actually complete the task on the other one. If you don't have 2 monitors, if you have a phone or an iPad or any kind of mobile device, you can actually pull up the YouTube videos on your mobile device and play them while you are completing the assignment. I think that is the quickest, easiest way to get the assignment done. So as you work through here, okay, you will notice that there are videos for literally everything. And then quite often you will also see graphics showing you what it should look like. And then at the very bottom, there is also a summary of what you need to turn in. In this first textbook assignment, there is a task that involves transferring your files to the internet. So this is where you're going to learn how to use FileZilla. The information that you need to key in, I will send you through the email. So check your NMC email for this. When I send the information, I post an announcement so you guys know to look for it. If you can't find it, not a big deal. Just send me an email and I can forward it to you because I have a copy of all your information. Okay, so this talks about transferring, how that whole process works. And then it also talks about how to view the page live, which you definitely need to do because sometimes it looks different on your computer than it does when it's online. And then once you are done, at the very bottom is a rubric that tells you how much each activity is worth as far as points. So the textbook assignments are very directive. The lab assignments normally are not directive. The first one is a little more directive because this is your assignment page. So this page is going to be used to link all of your assignments to. We haven't learned how to link yet. So you're basically setting this up so that you can link to it later. So this is probably the only one that's going to be directive. The rest will be more open format. But this does show you what you need as far as the assignment page goes. And it also tells you how to transfer that page to the web. Then at the very bottom, there is the grading rubric. So those are the two assignments. Once you have the assignment transferred, you're going to go into the Dropbox. And all you have to do in here is add a comment, and you'll just type the word done. And then you can save your changes and submit it. That's all you need to do here. And then I will know that your assignment is ready for grading. So you will submit done to both Dropboxes, and then you're going to come down and do the discussion forum. The purpose of this forum is basically for you to really look at the sites that are online and find sites, good sites, award winning sites that you like, because that will help you determine the kind of sites that you want to create. So I always think that looking at examples of good sites will help you be good web developers. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to do a little search on award-winning HTML5 websites. And then you're going to take a look at these sites and find one that you like. Ooh, this yellow one is interesting. So once you find a site you like, then what you're going to do and you do need to know why you like it. I'm going to want to know some information about the site, but if you find one that you like, you're going to click on that. That'll highlight it. Press the Control key and the letter C to copy. Come back here. You're going to add a new discussion topic. And I would probably put Brinkworth award-winning site. And I would press Control and the letter V as in Victor to paste that. And I actually am going to paste a link here because that lets other people see it. Okay, and then I would go through here and answer the questions. So I did number 2. Number 3, explain what you like and point out anything you don't like. And so looking at this, I do like this scroll. I like the large graphics. Let me see, it does look responsive to me. It is responsive, so it's got a nice responsiveness to it. Oh, and I like this interface too. So yeah, this is a pretty good site actually. So I would come over here, I would indicate what I like, and then I would post to the forum. And what you need to do is read through what other people post and reply to 2 of the postings. And then you can see how many points you get for doing each of those activities. So that is what you are going to be working on this week. If you run into problems or if you have any questions, please let me know. I am here to help you and have a great week.